to this video where you will overcome fear and let go of what doesn't serve your purpose. By doing so, you gain clarity and reclaim your power, which is essential for success in any endeavor. Without it, progress is impossible. Yet, obstacles often obstruct your path, encountering misunderstandings in the form of disagreements, problems, and conflict, hindering your purpose and diminishing your capabilities. To break free from this cycle, awareness is key. But how can you achieve awareness amidst chaos, obstacles, and confusion? This is happening because you are too much in your mind. Your mind doesn't know the answer. All it knows is the past and some beliefs obscuring your path to success. These beliefs create a false reality, an illusion that benefits no one, especially not you. You desire confidence in your decisions, decisions made effortlessly, with certainty. So why does this confidence elude you? Your mind is the culprit. Clear your mind first and witness the transformation. Listen to this meditation to clear your mind. The link is below. Return to this video afterwards. Now, with a clear mind, your path is illuminated and you radiate light. You have achieved this because you believed in yourself as the master creator. It's all within your control. You empower yourself where needed, and where not, you let things be, understanding that it is perfect as it is. Your body, mind, and awareness operate at their peak, and you utilize this energy for the greater good. Time is your ally to master your destiny starting now. No time is wasted. Every moment is an investment towards your best self. You are at the center, creating your life, allowing it to flow effortlessly with love. You are the creator, and your energy fuels your existence. Let your brilliance shine. Make this reality yours. You have the strength to achieve this. For more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement shows your interest and enables me to create more content for you. Wishing you all the best, always, with love.